I had a customer that lost the wooden base to this glass globe in a house fire, and they wanted a new one made out of 3/4 inch cherry. So this is a 9x9 cut-off piece. And here I'm making the groove for the glass globe to fit into. Here I'm checking the fit, and I need just a little bit of wiggle room so the globe doesn't get stuck. It looks like it fits pretty good. Now it's time to cut it out. And as this is cutting all the way through, I left tabs in the wood so that the round piece wouldn't move around. Here's the finish base, and I used a pre-catalyzed conversion varnish on cherry for a nice natural color. And this is a perfect fit. Let me know what you think.